Welcome back. Today we are doing a Shein haul. Let's be clear, a Shein fall haul. That's cute. Fall haul. So we have all fall wardrobe because it's October now, so we're in the fall. So I'm really tired of these videos, but again, I'm just like, I like to see what they look like on people before I order. So hopefully you find this helpful before you order your fall haul from Shein. Let's get into the video. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. I love the flaunt, like the little sleeve. This is adorable. I love it. I love it. Do you love it? I love it. It's a vibe. I should probably put on a bra, but girl power. I like this dress. It's like the little body print, which is kind of cool, but it's not like over the top. Like there isn't any body print in the back. But I like it. Let's go ahead and give a full. So you can see it comes down to the ankle. Where's the ankle? Boop. That's hot. I like it. I like it a lot. This is real cute. It's giving like, you know, resting, cozy. I guess it's like the old money aesthetic, but I feel like it's just a little more like regular. It's kind of short, but not super short, but I think it's so cute. I wish it had like a pocket. Yeah, those pockets aren't real. Like a cute little pocket would have been cute, but also the belt comes with it, but it doesn't have any belt loops, so it won't look weird if you take it off. I think it's really nice actually. I would change the buttons to like maybe gold buttons if I had time and cared enough. But yeah, oh, there's a little cape. Bow to the wow. Let's go ahead and get in there. Ooh, yeah, I should put on a little brightness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm liking what's going on here. This is really cute. It has this type of pearl embroidery going on, well, embellishment. It comes about to the knees. It gets a little swooshy. I like it a lot. Okay, this is giving date night. It's giving va-va-voom. I like it. It ties in to like cinch the waist a bit, and it has a zipper that goes down there. It's very tight. There's no wiggle room. Like it's not really stretched. Like this is just it. Ooh. Comes always onto the ankle. I cinched it right here behind the neck because it actually doesn't really have any support. So to lift it up a bit, I put a safety pin right there, bringing it together just to give that some extra support. But I really like this dress. I think it's a really cute date night dress. Super cute. Maybe like with the hair pulled back. Right? It's hot. Okay, this one has a little bit of cleavage to it, but it's a nice little wrap. Tied in the back. It has like a sweater. It's like a sweater dress, the sweater material. I actually kind of find them a little itchy. That's just my personal opinion. Ladies don't like long sleeves, but this is it. It comes down to the knees, but it splits on both sides. So does it really come down to the knees? But I think it's cute and cozy, you know, a bit warm. I like it. Hopefully you like it too. This is real cute. Fall vibe. Fall vibe. All right, we're down to the knees. We got some more of that. you love me? It's like ribbed. It's real cozy. It's so cozy. I like this dress. I would wear this dress all the time. It's probably like my go-to fall dress. Like quick throw on, maybe some stockings, little shoe. Cute. Okay, so this is a two-piece. It came as a shirt and a skirt, which is so cool. 2 for 1. I like it as well. I think this is really cute. I feel like everything so far has just been win, 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 win. Honestly, I feel like everything's been a win. I've actually tried it on before we started videoing, and I liked everything. But this is the skirt. Right? It has a good little length to it, and I just love that it came with this top. I think that's awesome sauce. Yeah, it's like mostly actually ribbed, if we're being honest. You can get up in the fabric, but not really like ribbed. Maybe corduroy, I think would be the better term. Is this backwards? Okay, sideways. All right. Yeah. So winner chicken dinner. It's so cute. Okay, it's like a overall skirt, so it's like a whoosh whoosh, and it's really tight on the waist. I like that because it kind of gives the little whoosh. The shirt was from the other, I'm gonna just wear the shirt with a bunch of different stuff from the 2-piece stuff that it came with. But yeah, it's kind of cute. It's a bit short above the knee, but it's definitely a vibe. Yeah, I'm loving the plaid. I'm loving the fall looks. Definitely going to pick some apples or some pumpkins and stuff. Yeah, I love it. So cute. This was giving office vibes. We're giving office. We're going out. We're having coffee. We're getting up in the morning. We're going to work. I like it. I was iffy about it, but it comes kind of like right underneath the boob, and it's really cute. Almost to the knee, not quite, but longer than the other thing, and I like it. I paired it with that black shirt from the other thing I told y'all we're gonna see that a lot, but in like it has like a little ruffle to it. I think it's super cute. All right, so this is a different skirt, same top of course, but I like it. It's giving schoolgirl, but it's also giving like, you know, adult girl, 60s, working in an office, pushing a little cart, doing typey things. What is it called when you can type really fast? I forgot what it's called, but they had a name for those girls in the 60s who could just do. But I really like this skirt. I think it's really fun and it's cute for the fall. I think it's definitely you know, really chill, relax. I'm really loving this fall. I think everything's really fall and fun and cozy. Okay, so it's like a onesie for like jamming. I feel like I was gonna wear this to like my little workout class and stuff like that. Like, yeah, it's room for activities. It's got pockets. We have this 2-piece. It's a sweater and a shirt, so I think that's kind of cool. Comes together, and it's super, super cute, super cozy, super warm. Of course, it's like a polyester, but it feels like a cashmere. It feels like fake cashmere, and I love it. I like it a lot. It's super dope. Super, super cute. Gives me 90s vibes. Gives me like, oh my gosh, I'm totally bugging. I like it. I hope you like it too. Thanks for tuning in for our Shein haul for the fall, and I hope you are warm and cozy and smelling like pumpkin spice this fall. Bye.